Happy fall to all of you. I'm Bowie the Bear, and today you are going to practice your speech sounds, and I, hopefully, will be able to eat that sweet, delicious honey all the way up there. There is just one problem. I'm not quite tall enough to reach that honey, and I'm feeling rather lazy today, so I would rather not climb all the way up there. However, I have an idea. I can talk to the wind, and I made a deal with the wind. For every speech word that you practice, the wind is promised to blow one leaf into this great big pile of leaves. If we say enough speech words and get enough leaves, we should be able to eat honey in no time. Up in the corner, you will see pictures with our speech sounds in them. Every time we practice one of the speech words awesomely, a leaf will float on down to the pile and lift me up. Once I get to the top, I promise I will share some with you, my human friend. Go ahead and start saying your speech sounds. I'm going to sit down and wait until I make it to the top. Nice work! You said 50 of your speech sound words. I hope you brought a spoon with you. It's time to celebrate by eating some honey.
If you would like more free videos, games, downloadable activities, virtual materials, boom cards, and more, visit our website freeslp.com.